Breast cancer remains the most common cancer among Filipino women, with the Philippines having the highest number of cases in Southeast Asia. Despite advancements in detection, many are still diagnosed too late. The Department of Health is strengthening its efforts for early screening. Here's the latest. Bien Manala tells us more.
Breast cancer is the most common cancer to Filipinas and to women at large. According to the PCS, the Philippines has the highest number of breast cancer cases in Southeast Asia. Up to 27,000 cases of breast cancer are recorded every year, or one Filipina in every 32 seconds dies from it. In 2022, more than 1,000 Filipinos died from breast cancer. The PCS says 55 to 65% of women in the Philippines are diagnosed too late with breast cancer. Because of this, the DOH has strengthened its campaign for early detection and screening.
Number 1 na po ang breast cancer na prevalence na cancer sa Pilipinas. Nalampasan niya ang lung cancer. Number 1 siya, pero kalahati lang ng populasyon natin ang naapektuhan. Pero mo, kababaihan lang ang naapektuhan. This is a women's cancer. Although may mga lalaki nagkaka-breast cancer.
2015, when Natividad Corios was told by her doctor her days were numbered because of stage 3 breast cancer. She also regrets not undergoing early screening and instead waited for the situation to get worse. She battled with the disease for 10 years.
Early detection saves life. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa kanila. Kaya ako pinalakas pa dahil kailangan kong i-inspire yung iba na tingnan niyo ko, lumalaban po ako.
From the previous 100,000 pesos, the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation or PhilHealth has further increased its benefit package for breast cancer to 1.4 million pesos. Meanwhile, Breast Cancer Awareness Month is commemorated today in San Juan City. Part of the celebration is having mammograms or free breast and cervical cancer screenings. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.